Hey guys, so this is the Kia Rio S and I'm going to show you how to replace your engine filter. So you have two clips, 1, 2. You push those down and loosen it up. So it's slid right in here, the little two things. So you bring it up, wiggle it a little bit, it will slide out those little slots. And this is your engine filter. There you go. So putting it back in is the same thing. You put it in the hole, okay? You'll grab your filter housing and you slide it into the little slots on both sides. You can see right there, slide right in. Bring it down, bring your two clips up. And there you go. Your filter is changed. Well, if you have any question, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.